Are you looking for a new way to connect with your target audience? Videos are an increasingly popular way for marketers to reach their customer base without pushing the same old blog articles. YouTube makes it easy to record videos, post them, and personalize individual channels so marketers, both large and small, can better connect with their audience. Hi everyone, I'm Charles Broersma, founder of the Casbah Total Internet Marketing Solution, the place where small businesses go to double their revenue from the internet. And today, I'm going to share with you how to post marketing and sales videos on YouTube. So stay tuned. The first step is to set up a YouTube account. If you already have a Google account, you automatically have a YouTube account because Google owns YouTube. All right, at the top right-hand corner of the YouTube homepage, you'll see your profile picture if you have one set. You'll also see several little icons near your profile image that look like a video camera, a square grid, a comment bubble, and a bell. For now, these are the main sections that you need to worry about. With YouTube, you have the ability to capture a video with your webcam or record it separately and then upload it. You don't need any special type of camera to shoot your videos, and usually most smartphones work pretty well. I recommend uploading a pre-recorded video. That way you can work out any kinks and edit it before you post it online. Remember that video recorder icon we talked about? If you click it, you'll see two options appear: upload video or go live. If you click upload video, you'll be taken to the main page where you can drag and drop your video file and choose the visibility level for it. The go live option is there if you want to record a video from your webcam. Once your video starts processing and downloading, you'll be able to add a video description and tags. And once your video is finished downloading, it will automatically be added to your channel. You can categorize your videos by including a video description and tags. This is a great place for you to include keywords and trending topics that your audience is searching for. You want your video description to be short, no more than 3 or 4 sentences. But feel free to add as many tags as you want, just as long as they're relevant. These tags act like hashtags on Twitter, so the more relevant keywords and terms you include, the better chance you have of being found. Video Manager is the section in YouTube where you can edit everything about your videos. For the purposes of this video, we'll just talk about the basics. There are a few ways to access Video Manager in YouTube. Once you're in YouTube, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select My Channel from the drop-down. You'll be brought to your channel page that contains all of your videos. Or click on the video you want to edit, and from there, click the blue Edit Video button right below the video. Once you do, you'll be brought to the main page in Video Manager. Within the Video Manager, you have several options of how you can edit your videos. Those options sections are listed at the top of the page. They're fairly self-explanatory, so just take some time to click through them and see what your editing options are. Another section you need to be aware of is your video analytics. The analytics option is in YouTube Studio, just like the Video Manager tools. And there's also a tab for it beneath each video, right next to the Edit Video button. Within YouTube Analytics, you also have the option to export your reports and create tracking groups if there's a certain portion of your target audience you especially want to track. Those options are also right at the top of the page. And that's it. Once you get comfortable with these YouTube video basics, you can start to move into more advanced sections of video editing options. Creating and posting videos to YouTube is a great way to boost your exposure and increase connections with prospects and customers. If you're a small business investing in content marketing, you absolutely need to take advantage of all that YouTube has to offer. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you can get all the updates. I post new videos every Friday, so be sure to come back and check it out.